In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the color of Google Calendar events, a simple yet effective way to organize your schedule visually. Let's start by opening your preferred web browser. Once you're there, type Google Calendar into the search bar and hit enter. You should see a number of results pop up, with Google Calendar being one of the top links. Click on that link, and if you're not already signed in, enter your credentials to access your calendar. Now that you're inside Google Calendar, the first thing you'll need to do is locate the event whose color you want to change. Simply click on the event. This will open a small pop-up window with basic information about that event. In this pop-up, look for the pencil or edit icon. This is your gateway to editing all sorts of details about your event, including its color. Clicking the pencil icon brings you to an expanded view where more options are available. Now take a look at the right side of the interface. Here you should see the event color settings, typically placed beneath other basic details like the event title and time. When you're ready to change the color, click on the color box. This action will reveal a palette of colors you can choose from. Pick a color that makes the event stand out or aligns with the purpose or category you might want for the event. Using different colors for different types of events can be a powerful organizational tool, making it easier to glance at your calendar and instantly know what's coming up. After you've chosen the color that suits your needs, don't forget to save your changes. You'll find the Save button located at the top of the editing screen. It's easy to overlook, but essential for ensuring that your selected color is applied. Once saved, the event will now display the new color in your calendar view, making it immediately distinguishable from other entries. If you have other events you'd like to update, you can repeat this process. It becomes second nature after you've done it a couple of times, and there you have it. An efficient way to color code your Google Calendar events, adding a splash of color and organization to an otherwise standard setup. Remember, this way you can easily keep track of meetings, personal appointments, or any other significant dates you want highlighted. If you have any other events to update, feel free to follow these steps again. It's as simple as that. Enjoy your newly organized and colorful calendar.